In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth is not available on this device in Windows 10. First thing you want to do is go here, go to Services, and then find Bluetooth. Press B to find it quicker. Go inside Bluetooth Support Service, and then turn it to automatic, and then click Apply, and then click OK. Then click Start if it's not already started, then click Apply and then OK. If it's already started, just click Restart. After that, you want to go here, go to Settings, then find Bluetooth. So here I'll go to Bluetooth and device. So first thing you want to make sure is that you have Bluetooth turned on. So turn this on when you are using Bluetooth. Next thing, you'll go here and under where it says view more devices, click here, and here you'll see all the devices that you have connected. So if there's a device that you're having issue with, you can actually try to remove this device. So let me just go back here. Let me just go here. You can actually remove this device by clicking this and clicking remove, and then try to re-add it. What you want to do next is go down here, and here you will see an option where it says more Bluetooth settings. So this one, click on it. Make sure you turn allow Bluetooth devices to find this PC. Click on this one and then click apply and then click OK. After that, restart your PC and this should fix the error.